One of the most irritating things about Xbox is they have yet to put a USB plug and play microphone option in their system. But what if I told you there was a way that you could use this mic on your Xbox for streaming or just playing with your friends? Let's get into it. All right, so first thing on the list is you're gonna need an Xbox controller, right? Well, you're gonna actually need an Xbox controller, an original one that has the hookup at the bottom, looks like this, not just a 3.5 millimeter jack like this, because this is not the way to do it and it will not work. I've already tried. If there's a way to be able to hook a USB mic up with just a 3.5 millimeter jack, please let me know in the comments below, because I would love to make a video about that, give you a shout out, and just be able to use my Pro controller, the $150 controller I bought, instead of a Xbox controller that came with the Xbox itself. The next thing you're gonna need is a headset audio controller for your controller. It's gonna look something like this. This is the Turtle Beach edition. This is what you need to plug in the bottom of the controller so you can control your stuff. Why you need this, I don't know. Why I can't just plug a 3.5 millimeter jack up and go, but for some reason it wouldn't work without this, because this has a 3.5 millimeter jack on the bottom of it and you plug up from there. The next thing you're gonna need on the list is a splitter, a 3.5 millimeter splitter. Now this is gonna look like something like this, and on the sides you're gonna see a microphone jack and a headphone jack, and the end of it is gonna look something like this with the 3 knots in it, slots, knots, whatever you wanna call it. I got this from Amazon, and by the way, anything you see in this video is gonna be in the description below. I'm going to definitely try to mark the most cheapest things, because I know everybody's gaming on a budget nowadays. That way you don't have to do all the legwork. I'm gonna do it for you, so make sure you check out the description below. All right, since we haven't covered this yet, you're gonna need a USB mic. Pretty obvious, right? But you don't need just any USB mic. You have to have one with a 3.5 millimeter cable to hook up in the back of it like this. That shows like a headphone, as so you can monitor yourself. You actually need to be able to plug this in. You're gonna need an extra 3.5 millimeter cable. It doesn't need to be very long. I think I have a 3-foot one. That's about all I need, and that way you can plug it up from your USB mic into your splitter itself. And then last but definitely not least is you're gonna need a headset of some sorts. Now, in other videos in past, I've seen people say you can't have a headset with a mic on it. That is an absolute utter lie, but you can use an old headset. You can use any headset with a mic on it. I've quite literally was using the Recon 200s. I think that's what these are. A $60 headset with a mic on it. I just flip it up to mute it, and I was able to use the USB mic and use these for audio. Now that you got everything you need, let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up and see what we got. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're brand new here. Hit the like button so other people can see this, and just help your boy grow, get bigger on YouTube. We're pushing for 1,000. I really appreciate that. Let's get back into the video. All right, guys, so here's your controller. You're gonna take it, and you see the bottom here, you got the 3.5 millimeter jack and your other button, the other piece right here you would plug in. Just gonna take your audio thing I was telling you about, the Turtle Beach one. You're gonna just plug it in. Make sure you push it all the way in to where you hear it click. Clicks on the back right there, and then you see your 3.5 millimeter plug there. You're gonna next grab your Y splitter from the 3.5 millimeter. You're gonna plug it in right there, and then you're very simply gonna grab your microphone one and grab your extra cable. You're gonna plug one into that microphone jack, and then the other end to the USB itself where the headphone jack is. And last but not least, you're going to definitely grab your headset one and plug it into the headset part on there, and there you have it. All right, guys, for the last part, just like I said I would show you how, if it's working or not, which you can see right here on the screen. You see the Xbox party chat is up. You see the mic coming on and off. Here it is right here, the mic. You see me tapping on it. Now, I have it hooked up through my PC at the same time. That's why I'm able to use it for the video, just like I was telling you at the beginning of the video. If I left that in, you can actually have it hooked up to your PC and your Xbox. You don't have to pick one or the other. So that's a kind of cool trick to it. If you're just now using your Xbox to stream to Twitch and you're having issues with your party chat, make sure you click up on the video up here. I teach you how to fix that. It's a super easy fix. And as always, guys, be safe. Till the next time, later.